Thank you. You may go ahead and be seated. I apologize for the delay. All right, good evening. My name is Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell, and this is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for October 9th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for a court-appointed attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. At the conclusion of your matter, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will detail the dates, times, and locations of your future hearings. It will also contain my complete orders in your case. All right, we are going to go ahead and start this evening with Jermaine Pye and then Jason Kramer, please. All right, Mr. Pye, go ahead and state your name, please.
Jermaine Lawrence Pye.
All right, Mr. Pye, and what is your date of birth?
9/25/2000.
All right, sir, you were arrested earlier today on charges of aggravated assault, assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument. That's a Class 3 felony. I did find probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting a secured appearance bond. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30. In your new matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $75,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain pretrial release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim. You are not allowed to possess any weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, and no alcohol. Now, you are also here because the University Lakes Justice Court has issued 2 warrants for your arrest, and we're going to go ahead and do them one by one. In this first warrant for your arrest, this one is for a post-adjudication failure to pay or comply with court orders following a June 5th, 2023 charge for criminal trespass and shoplifting. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only, because in that matter, I am setting a $50 secured appearance bond. I'm also setting a hearing on October 14th at 8:30 in the University Lakes Justice Court. Now, you are also here because the University Lakes Justice Court issued a second warrant for your arrest. This one is for, again, it's a post-adjudication warrant for failure to pay or comply with court orders. This one is following a July 12th, 2023 charge for shoplifting and criminal trespass. In that matter, again, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only, and I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. Again, I'm also setting a hearing on October 14th at 8:30 in the University Lakes Justice Court. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, you will need to go to your hearings. In the event you are still in custody, you will be transported for your Maricopa County Superior Court hearing, and officers should be able to arrange for you to appear at the University Lakes Justice Court cases remotely. All right, sir, go ahead. Step to the left. Officers have your paperwork for you. Jason Kramer, please, and then Cherry Mincer. All right, sir, go ahead and state your name, please.
Jason Kramer.
And Mr. Kramer, what is your date of birth?
12/27/81.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because Hold on, let me. All right, because you were arrested on charges of aggravated assault, Class 4 felony, criminal trespass in the first degree, a Class 6 felony, criminal damage, Class 6 felony, and assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I'm also setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $50,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons. You are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you are not to possess or consume alcohol. You also will need to comply with any terms of any order of protection issued or to be issued. Now, I have a question. Do you and the alleged victim live together?
No, we used to.
Okay. So then do you and the alleged victim have any children in common?
No.
Okay. So then that makes it very straightforward in this instance. You may have no contact with the alleged victim. Okay? All right. Now, you are also here because you are currently on probation. In your case, CR 2024-103-809. In that matter, your new charges would constitute an alleged Term 1 violation of your existing probation. In your probation case, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your probation case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. Because you are on probation, in the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer, as your paperwork.
Step to the left, if you will.
Cherry Mincer, please, and then Richard Juris.
How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to a brand new episode of You Have a Collect Call From, and we're currently in Maricopa County, if you will.
All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name, please.
Jeez, is that cousin Ned right there?
And Ms. Mincer, what is your date of birth?
5/24/68.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here because you were arrested on charges of,
What up, Jenna?
possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 4 felony, and possession of, there's 2 counts of that, possession of dangerous drugs for sale, and another Class 4 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those violations. Now, you are also charged with possession of marijuana, a Class 4 felony, and possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. With regard to the marijuana and the narcotic drug charge, based upon the limited information I have in front of me in the Form 4, I'm not finding PC for those. However, those allegations are not dismissed, and formal charges may nevertheless be filed for those violations. I did find probable cause, as I stated, for the remaining charges. All right, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $15,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any co-defendant. You are not to possess any weapons, you are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you are not to possess or consume any alcohol. Now, you are on probation, which leads us to your next matter. The Maricopa County Superior Court has, it is the Navajo County Superior Court, has issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation, in their case, CR 2018-01028. In that matter,
it didn't. It started like at 8:10, 8:12.
Alicia, could we
They started a little bit late today.
I got the attorney information incorrect. Okay. I am indicating that an attorney should be appointed for you at your next hearing, which will be in the Navajo County Superior Court on October 14th at 8:30, again in the Navajo County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in that matter in the amount of $50,000.
Damn.
Again, ma'am, in
What
the
the hell did
event
she
you are
do?
able to post your bonds and secure
this
your release, I am
Maricopa?
reminding you,
You
you
know
are
it.
on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, all right? Go ahead, step to left, officer will have your paperwork for you.
I don't know, but I would
All right,
not.
Richard Juris, please, and then Bertha Villa.
I don't know, but I would not trust that lady with a litter of puppies. I will tell you that much. I would not trust her with a litter of puppies, or even maybe a pet rock at this point. Hey, what's up, Janet? How's it going? Welcome back to a brand new episode. Oh, damn! Somebody get Grandpa Walker over here. He kind of looks like the dude from like Doc from the Back to the Future. Great Scott! Sheen Gators. That fool even has
All right,
white
sir,
eyebrows.
go ahead, state your name, please.
I can't hear you.
You
I can't hear
okay, we can deal with that.
Can't hear
Officer, could we get him the amplifying headphones?
Get him an amp. Get him something. Get him a freaking a blowhorn, if you will. This guy right here, Grandpa. No bueno. That's Freddy Cougar.
This is the value, okay? You control the value.
Hey, get him some CL20s.
All right, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right,
Thank
okay. Mr., could you please state your name?
Richard Juris,
And Mr. Juris, what is your date of birth?
June 1st, 1943.
All right, sir. You are here this evening because you were arrested yesterday on charges of aggravated assault, class 3 felony, and disorderly conduct, class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for both of those. Based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I'm finding that you are not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney. So I am not appointing you an attorney this evening. You may, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $25,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any alleged victim. You may not possess any weapons. You may not possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not consume any alcohol. You may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim or go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you are an owner or renter of the residence. You're going to need to find someplace else to live for a little while. You can arrange for one civil standby with law enforcement to collect any belongings. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
Do I have to present $25,000 today?
So it is a secured appearance bond, so you will remain in custody unless and until you post that bond.
I can't post a bond if I can't get to the money.
Okay. So again, sir, how you access your accounts, you can talk to officers about that. You also have it is a secured appearance bond, so you would be able to work with a bond company. I am going to remind you, I think you and the alleged victim live together. Is that true?
Not all the time.
Okay, so you can't go back to the scene of the alleged crime,
I understand.
okay? And you can't live with the alleged victim.
I understand that.
Okay. All right, go ahead, step to left, officers have your paperwork.
Okay, I still don't know how I'm going to post a bond.
Okay, officers can provide you with that information.
All right, thank you.
Ooh, almost blew out my eardrum
All
right
right,
there.
Bertha Villa, please, and then Deshaun Clark.
The speaker he put in the wrong place.
Hi. All right, Ms. Villa, go ahead, state your name, please.
Bertha Villa,
And Ms. Villa, what's your date of birth?
February the 8th, 1992.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about July 8th of 2022, you committed the offense of misconduct involving weapons, a class 4 felony, and on or about that same date, you committed the offense of possession or use of dangerous drugs, a class 4 felony, and then on or about that same date, you committed the additional offense of possession or use of narcotic drugs,
Damn, she has
a
some
class
pretty big
4
years.
felony. In
can't stop
that
looking at
matter,
them.
I am appointing you an attorney, and
Naomi?
I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Pursuant to that arrest warrant, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $10,000. Now, based upon my review of your information, you're in custody on a different matter.
Yes.
So even if you were to post this $10,000 secured appearance
Yes.
bond, you would still remain in custody.
Did anybody
Okay.
catch her age?
Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork.
Step to the left.
All right, Deshaun Clark, please, and then Jeremiah Molina. All right, sir, will you go ahead, please, and state your name?
Deshaun Clark,
And Mr. Clark, what is your date of birth?
February 11, 2000.
All right, give me just a second.
Deshaun Clark has that white tee on right there. With the rib. She turned 33 in February 8th. Thank you. Watch with no time.
All right, sir,
Appreciate
you
that.
were arrested yesterday on charges of disorderly conduct involving weapons, a Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct fighting, a
Simply
Class
Kate,
1
thank you.
misdemeanor, preventing, interfering with the use of a telephone during an emergency, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and threatening, intimidating, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $10,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons. You are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you are not to possess or consume any alcohol. You will also need to obey the terms of any order of protection that has been issued or may be issued. All right. Now I'm going to ask. I'm going to say. Now, based on my review of the Form 4, you and the alleged victim live together. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim or go to the alleged victim's
Right,
residence,
Adam?
even
They're
if
high
you are
today.
an owner or renter of the residence. If you presently reside with any alleged victim, you must find an alternative residence. You can arrange for one civil standby with law enforcement to collect any essential belongings. That means that you need to call your local police department and tell them that you need a civil standby. They will go with you. If the police are not there with you, then you are in violation of this order, okay? All right, now, do you and the alleged victim share any children?
Yeah, we got a 1-year-old daughter.
Okay.
That's no
Hold
bueno.
on, give me just a second.
No bueno. Oh, man. Hey, violence doesn't solve everything. Sometimes it creates more problems than it's worth. Let me see here.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Is the judge chewing? It sounds like she's eating.
All right. And we are going to need to update this. Okay. So what I am doing is I am putting in a provision here that you may contact the alleged victim only by email or
What
text
up, Marty?
messaging and only regarding issues directly involving the parenting of your
Thank you for
common
that heart.
children, with no harassment to occur even if the messages are related to parenting issues. Okay?
All right.
I
Give me just a second. I think I need to...
Your Honor, take 2 seconds. Hello, Teresa. Hello, Governor.
All right. You may have in-person contact with the alleged victim. Well, give me just a second.
Take your time, Your Honor. Take your time. Hey, what up, Bren? How's it going? Hey, hopefully everybody's doing good tonight. Hopefully you guys are not coming in from jail. Spicy, thank you for that. Damn, Spicy, making it rain. Straight dropped 100 flowers like fa. Gracias,
All
honey.
right.
Appreciate you. I
All
don't even know what I'm gonna do with 100 roses.
You may
Thank you,
have
Teresa.
in-person contact with the alleged victim only to accomplish exchanges of the children by prior arrangement through email or text
No
messaging,
face.
and may not discuss any matters outside of parenting issues during such contact, okay?
Hey, Spicy, thank you once again. Damn, 90? Sheesh.
All right.
Man, I might go
All right,
treat
we did
myself
have
with
to
a
reprint
cheeseburger
that,
or
and
something.
I'm sorry, but if you'll go ahead, step to the left, we'll get that brought out to you, okay? Jeremiah Molina, please, and then Uriah Gomez.
Uriah Gomez, come on down. Hey, mind the gap. Hey, what else? Where you been at? Oh, hold on.
All right, sir. Go ahead, state your name, please.
Jeremiah Molina,
And Mr.
Damn,
Molina,
Jeremiah,
what
some
is
long
your
ass
date
hair.
of birth?
10/3/82.
All right, sir.
Looking like Picasso. Baby. Jenna.
All right, sir, you are here because you were arrested yesterday on charges of
I could get some eggs.
possession of
Thank
dangerous
you.
drugs for sale, a Class
Alexis.
2 felony, possession of marijuana for sale, a Class 2 felony, possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony, and possession of marijuana, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those.
Thank
I
you,
am
ma'am.
appointing you an
Appreciate
attorney.
you.
I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30,
His
both
eyes are
in the
going
downtown
wild.
Maricopa County Superior
Eyes
Court.
gone wild, if
In
you
your
will.
matter, I am setting
I
a
can
secured
fix him.
appearance bond in the amount of $10,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am ordering that you not possess any weapons, you not possess any drugs without a valid, and that you not possess any drugs without a valid prescription. You would also need to make sure that you go to those hearings, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate
All
you
right,
guys.
go ahead, step to the left, officers. have
Hey,
your
Royal,
paperwork.
what's up? I just saw you.
All right, Uriah Gomez, please, and then Andrea Moreno.
Andrea Moreno, come on down to The Price is Wrong. What do you guys think Andrea did today?
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name, please.
Uriah Gomez, August 2005.
What did he say? Hold
I'm
up.
sorry, you said August 12, 2005?
Yes.
Okay, sir, you are here on 3 matters. So
There
we're
we
going to go
go.
one by one. Okay. Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for your failure to appear in your matter CR 2025-000589. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am
nervous
setting a
'cause
hearing
he's
on
guilty.
October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In this matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $25,000.
Damn, 25
$2,500.
25,000 smackaroonies.
All right, now you are also here
Crystal.
because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a second warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter CR 2024
This one ain't going nowhere.
133118. In that matter, I am also not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed
Teresa,
for you. You can
damn,
always
Teresa,
retain an attorney
gracias.
at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500.
Damn, on top of
Finally,
that?
you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a third warrant for your arrest for your failure to appear in your case CR 2024-130323.
4:30
In that
a.m.
matter, again, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I'm setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500. In the event you are able to post all of your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right?
Ah, they still got me.
Andrea Moreno, please, and then Kay Baker.
I was trying to be proactive, but he moved a little bit quicker than I could react. Man, that fool had multiple FTAs. That's wild.
Hello,
Hi. All right, Ms. Moreno, go ahead, state your name.
Andrea Moreno,
And Ms. Moreno, what is your date of birth?
6/27/1996.
All right, ma'am, you are here because you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, and resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony. I did find probable
Julia.
cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at
What's up,
8:30,
Chef?
both in the downtown Maricopa County
Manolo.
Superior Court.
Okay.
I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500.
She's making me
Right,
feel
in the event
uncomfortable.
you are able to post that bond and secure your release,
Look at her mouth
you may not return
movements.
to the scene of the alleged crime or possess any weapons. Okay? You may also not possess any drugs without a valid prescription or consume any alcohol.
Okay,
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
thank you.
Kay Baker, please, and then Michael Calderon.
Calderon. Oh, damn! I keep on getting hit with the googly eyes, if you will. Her face, her hair is like this.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Ah, damn. Oh, he's tired.
It's late, I know.
Hold on, you're out.
Jordan Baker, March 27, 2000.
All right. All right, so you are here on 3 matters this evening. And they are all probation, allegations of probation violations. All right, the Maricopa County Superior Court has issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations. In your cases, CR 2024-118899, CR 2023-106213,
Aaron,
and
thank you.
CR 2022-139095. In those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 24 matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In your 23 matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. And finally,
Oh yeah, he's so tired. He's so tired. This one right here.
in your
Oh,
22
that's
matter,
me.
I am again setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000.
Which one?
Now, in the event that you are able to post these bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on intensive probation services, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officers have your paperwork for you.
Gracias a ti.
All right, Michael Calderon and then Nicholas Bujak, please.
This one? Okay, right now.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, all right, sir, go ahead, state your
There
name.
we go.
Michael Calderon, 7/31/87.
All right, sir, you are here because you were arrested earlier today on charges of aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony, and unlawful flight from law enforcement, a Class 5 felony. I did find probable cause for both of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior
He's
Court.
looking down.
I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $1,500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You may not possess any weapons, you may not possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and I am stating that you may not drive a motor vehicle. All right, go ahead, step to the left.
Yeah, but I didn't do no cop chase.
Okay. One of my release conditions is going to be that you may not drive a motor vehicle and that you be electronically monitored. The state has made a recommendation of $1,500 as a
That was not good.
as a secured appearance bond, and I think that
What about this one?
that is very appropriate in this matter. So go ahead, step to left.
He has a jelly head. The handphone. They can see it right here on this one right here. My daughter's here. She's the one that wants to put out the filters.
All right.
Which one? This one?
Michael Bujak, please.
I think we should try this one right here. This one. Let's try this one.
Nicholas, Your Honor.
Oh, this guy came ready
I'm
to
sorry
impress.
about that.
Not a problem.
All right, sir. Go ahead, state your name.
Nicholas Bujak,
And Mr. Bujak, what is your date of birth?
October 3rd, 1972.
All right, sir. Give me just a second.
Thank you for that daily heart, Marie. Appreciate you. Yeah, we all know it's you. Teresa. Oh yeah, that's Teresa.
Hi, Teresa.
Is that a mustache that he has, or are those teardrops? Hey, what up, Rivera? Man, why are they doing him like that? Howdy. Oh, that looks better. He looks better with a mustache and a hat. Like a cowboy. Looking like a cowboy.
We need to reprint that one too. I'm sorry about that. All right, sir. You are here because you were arrested earlier today on charges of disobeying an order of the court, in this case, an order of protection. That's a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for that. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting a hearing on October 14th at 8:30 in the White Tank Justice Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $1,500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime. You're not to initiate contact with any alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons. You are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription. You are not to consume any alcohol. And you must obey the terms of the order, any order of protection that may issue, including the one that is there.
Yes,
All right?
of course.
All right, we didn't need to...
Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
I haven't seen my brother in years, and I'm going through a really bad divorce, and I was going to see his nieces and nephews and go to Vancouver on around October 14th and corner some fighters in UFC.
What up, Bruce?
I'm a physician. My license has been suspended. There's a temporary order of I'm fighting for my kids. If I could delay that, October 14th, there's no way that I can delay it after October 20th.
So I have no control over what date that the White Tank Justice Court sets its matters, and that's the date that I have given you. And I also think that you need to stay in Arizona and you need to deal with this. Okay, so I'm leaving that hearing.
I have my kids here, and I'm not a flight risk, but if I will follow your order, I need to stay in Arizona.
All right, yes, that hearing is set on August 14th at 8:30 in the White Tank Justice Court. Date, time, and location, including the addresses and the paperwork the officer has for you. All right?
Okay.
Go ahead, step left.
He ain't going nowhere.
Terry Thomason.
Was it
and
was
then
it child
Monica
support?
Rodriguez.
What his fault? Oh, violating his protective order? Damn. Oh yeah, that fool ain't going nowhere. He is not going anywhere. And where's the next individual at? Hey, Aaron, thank you for that. Do we need a walker?
Officer, do we not have Miss Thomason?
A wheelchair?
She's here.
Oh, well,
Yes, I'm sorry.
no, it's fine. I just, sometimes we need to skip over, and that's fine.
She was not impressed with his
No.
story. Hey, thank you, Tulip.
All right, sir. Go ahead, state your name, please.
Damn. Ooh, this was
Okay,
a
Ms.
good
Thompson,
one.
what's your date of birth?
This was shaking.
Okay.
Oh, this was in
What is your
bad
date
shape.
of birth? What's your date of birth?
4/21/1982.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2022-000575. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm setting a secured appearance bond
This
in
one
your
was
matter in the
stumbling
amount
around.
of $650. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on intensive probation services, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
He's so
Monica
tired.
Rodriguez, please, and then Trista Schenkel. All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name.
Monica Rodriguez,
And Ms. Rodriguez, what is your date of birth?
3/11/81.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here on two matters this evening. We're going to go ahead and start with your Maricopa County matter, and then we'll talk about your
Hey,
municipal
Shannon.
court matter. All right, Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in your case
No, that one I
CR
can't.
2024-151315. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you.
He goes to jail.
I am setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Pursuant to that arrest warrant, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. Now, you are also here because the Goodyear Municipal Court issued a warrant for your arrest.
I was paying on that ticket, but like I'm homeless, me and the kids are homeless, so I had got food and couldn't pay the ticket off. But I was paying it, and then on the first warrant, I was doing the classes and everything I was supposed to do, and I understood because I got a message because I was homeless and I didn't have a phone, so I had to go to the library and do the classes.
Slow down
So
there.
you know, I sometimes I couldn't get to to the library, and I got the last email was that I had done my classes, that I was done with the classes, so that was my understanding that I was done with those classes, but I guess I wasn't. And then, well, like on the Goodyear one, I was trying my best, because like I said, I'm homeless. I have my two boys with me, my 18 and my 17-year-old, and we're staying like at the river bottom or at churches outside. So it's been hard for me.
Yes.
This
So
is overwhelming me.
right now they're out there by themselves, and they don't know I'm in here. So I don't know what to do.
Okay. So this Goodyear Municipal Court warrant is you are correct, it is a post-adjudication warrant. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only because I am setting a $50 secured appearance bond in that municipal court matter. That would, with the intention of giving you credit for time in custody on that matter. I'm also setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the Goodyear Municipal Court. In the event you are able to post your bonds, you need to go to your hearings. If you are still in custody, you will be transported for the Maricopa County the Maricopa County Superior Court matter, and officers should be able to arrange for you to attend the municipal court matter remotely.
So I have to stay in custody?
Yes, ma'am, I am setting bonds. All right.
500? 500, you said?
500 in your Maricopa County case, Maricopa County Superior Court case, and $50 in your Goodyear Municipal Court case. Okay?
So if I can't pay, I have to be in there until that date, Mama?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, and they are secured appearance bonds.
So once I appear there, then maybe I'll be released then?
So you can talk to the judge. You'll see the judge on, Maricopa County judge on October 15th, and you will see, and the Goodyear Municipal Court is also on October 15th. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Trista Schenkel, please, and then Gabriel Sotelo.
What do you guys think? Were you guys buying what she was selling? She was
All right, go
rambling
ahead,
on.
state your name, please.
Trista Patrice Shingle,
And Ms. Schenkel,
Shingles?
what is your date of birth?
11/20/1990.
Thank you. All right, and you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2022-123934. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting a hearing on October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in that matter in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, because you are on probation, you need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
I have a question. I thought it was the 90-day, because I contacted my probation officer. I just couldn't meet up with him because I'm out here in Tempe and he's all the way in Phoenix. So there was no way for me to get out to Phoenix from Tempe. And I have a dog, and plus I'm homeless. Like, I was homeless, and it's hard to run around with a dog in 120-degree weather, you know, from Tempe to Phoenix. That's kind of hard.
All right, so it does look like on, there is a note, your probation officer made a note on September 17th that you had been released from jail on October 5th, and that you had contacted your probation officer on September 17th to say that you were homeless and had no phone, and you were calling from jail.
Yeah, it was the day I got released.
And the officer attempted to see you at the location you indicated and was unsuccessful. You were directed to report the next day, and you failed to do so.
Yeah, I couldn't get out to Phoenix. Like, I live in Tempe. It's hard for me to get from Phoenix to Tempe with a dog, all my stuff.
Okay.
Like,
so that's so one of the reasons that I'm setting the bond, a secured appearance bond in this matter, is to help assure your appearance at your next hearing. And I think that a $500 secured appearance bond is appropriate.
I understand the bond, but like it's hard for me to get from Tempe to Phoenix. That was the whole thing with all my stuff and my dog. Like, there's no like. I can show up to court, that's fine, but to have my dog, all my stuff with me, like, that's a lot. I can't get on the bus with that. So, like, I don't understand, like.
So from reading the probation officer's notes, they did try to come out and see you where you were.
He never tried to come out here. He said I needed to go to him because it was my first time, and he couldn't transfer me to Tempe because I have to be with him for 60 days or something like that first.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and leave that bond set. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork. Gabrielle Sotelo, please, and then Ashley Johnson. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name, please.
Gabriel Sotelo.
Damn, and Mr. Sotelo, what is your date of birth?
1495.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter CR 2023-129300. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you do need to show up for your hearing, okay? All right, go ahead, step left, officer.
What this fool do?
So I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500, so you will remain in custody.
Hey, thank you, guys. Thank you,
unless
Jane,
you're
and thank you,
able
Leash.
to post that bond and at least, and then if you're still in custody on the 15th of October, you can talk to the judge on.
So I didn't pay $500 to bond out?
Yes, you can. I am setting a $500 secured appearance bond, so you would be able to bond out on that.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, step to the left, officer. As your paperwork.
Step to the left.
Ashley Johnson, please, and then John Robles.
Damn, they got a full house tonight. We're about to be hitting 9 right now.
All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name, please.
Ashley Johnson.
And Ms. Johnson, what is your date of birth?
12/5/88.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about February 29th of 2024, you committed the offense of possession or use of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. That on or about February 9th of 2024, you committed the offense of possession or use of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. And that on or about February 29th of 2024, you committed the offense of false reporting to law enforcement, Class 1 misdemeanor. I am appointing you an attorney, And I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30. Pursuant to that direct complaint arrest warrant, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. But my review of your matter is that you are in custody, in DOC custody on a different matter. So even if you were to post that bond, you would still be in custody. Okay. So you will be transported to those hearings.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
No.
All right. Go ahead. Step to the left.
Thank you.
Officer has your paperwork.
Damn, that's awful having no teeth. Like,
John Robles, please, and then Dylan Simmons.
Like, how do you eat? Like, if you want to eat a burger, or do you want to eat like a steak? Like, what do you just like?
All right, sir. Go ahead. Say your name.
John Robles, March 29th, 1990.
Thank you. All right, sir. You are here this evening because Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases, CR 2023.
This guy kind of looks like
152611, CR
like Eric Trump a
2024
little bit.
134262, and CR 2024
He just has one of those faces that you just want to
134261.
give him.
In each of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney. And in each of those matters, I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 23 matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. In your 24 matter ending 4262, I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. In your 24 case ending 4261, I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. So that's a total of $300 in secured appearance bond. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you do need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, and you do need to go to those hearings, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I had a quick question. I started a job Monday, and I didn't get arrested. I went and turned myself into the probation office because I want to take care of this. I have no intention of running. I have no intention of doing anything. I won't be able to post that bond, so then I'm not going to be able to work.
So I did see...
there, that's better.
So I think a couple things. One, these warrants have all been out there. The petition to revoke your probations were filed in December of 24, so almost a whole year ago.
Yes, I understand that I didn't do the right thing. I moved to Yuma, and it was supposed to get transferred to Yuma. And when I called them, they're like, we're going to give you a call because we haven't got your information yet. I fell into a pretty deep depression. I just gotten sober.
Depression.
I wasn't in the right mind space. I went to my brother's house and I just hermited into a room. Once I got my head clear, I got back with my ex. She, kind of helped kick me in the butt, and she's helping me actually get this job with a friend of hers. That's why I'm so happy that I have this, and I was like, I need to take care of this stuff. I don't want to lose this opportunity to work, man. I'm literally trying to get my life together, and I have no intention of running or doing nothing. I moved back to here so that I could take care of this.
Okay, and I appreciate that. And usually when someone has been out of compliance for as long as you have been out of compliance, I will double the bonds. And so what I did is I looked at yours and I did see that you turned yourself in. So I'm leaving them as they were recommended, okay? All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has the paperwork.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dylan Simmons, please. And then Kathy.
Now, next on the Price is Wrong. What are we going to be hearing next?
Mr. Simmons, go ahead, state your name, please.
Dylan Michael Simmons.
And Mr. Simmons, what is your date of birth?
3/1/94.
All right, sir, you were arrested earlier today on charges of consuming liquor in public, a Class 2 misdemeanor, and criminal trespass in the 3rd degree, Class 3 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for both of those. Because of the nature of the charges, you're not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you this evening, but you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on October 28th at 9 a.m. Will you go to that?
He's a freak.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a question based on your orange shirt. Are you in custody on any other matters other than this?
Arizona, yeah.
No.
Okay.
Maricopa County.
And based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to go ahead and release you this evening on your own recognizance. You do need to go to that hearing. If you do not go to that hearing in the Peoria Municipal Court,
I can't
a
even
warrant
control my
may issue for
winking.
your arrest.
I got my
Okay?
eyes open, I
So get it
swear.
taken care of. All right, go ahead. Step to the left.
Órale.
Kathy Palomares, please.
You're winking. You're winking. I got my eyes open, look.
Good evening, ma'am. Go ahead and state your name, please.
Kathy Palomares,
And Ms. Palomares, what is your date of birth?
November 14th, 1981.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. You did find probable cause for both of those. Based upon the information you provided to pretrial services, I'm finding you are not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney, so I'm not appointing you an attorney this evening. You may, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. Okay. I am setting a hearing on October 23rd at 8:30 and October 27th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those?
I will.
Based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to go ahead and release you this evening on your own recognizance.
Thank you.
However, you need to make sure you go to those hearings. The date, time, and location will be in the paperwork. The officer will give it to you. If you don't go to those hearings, a warrant may issue for your arrest, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, go ahead, step to the left.
She can't stop it. She can't even control herself. Hey, these filters are freaking crazy. All right. Oh, damn, we got that translator. He's trying so hard not to, just can't help it.
Good evening, Mr. Interpreter or Miss Interpreter. Can you hear me?
They got some shades around here.
Hi, good evening. Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Give me just a second.
Okay.
The toilet roll is funny. Hey, thank you for sharing. Where do you watch these? I watch these on YT at Collect Call From. I run these daily, 24/7, all day, every day. Once again, at Collect Call From on YT. Do a search in the search bar and you'll find it, if you will. I think the tongue one is the best one so
All
far.
right, sir, let's go ahead.
I gotta cover my mouth.
Sorry, give me just a second.
Ay. I can't control it. Look, you can see it. Look, it looks like the door's gonna bust open behind that tongue right there. Look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on your end. All right. Let me see. If I'm in this court, I need to cover my mouth. Did somebody just page me?
Okay. All right. Sorry about that. All right. Let's go ahead and have Jorge Avila Jara, please.
Jorge, come on down. All right.
All right. Interpreter, are you ready to get started?
Okay. Yes, I am.
All right. All right.
Thank you for that daily heart.
You go ahead and state your name, please, sir.
Jorge Avila Jara.
And interpreter, will you let Mr. Avila Jara know that he needs to wait for you to translate and then answer me through you?
Okay. Sure, yes, I was just waiting for my time to give my introduction. Okay. Buenas noches, yo seré su intérprete de español. Todo lo que diga en esta conversación se mantendrá confidencial. Hablen oraciones cortas y claras para interpretar su información. Después de que hable la juez, estaré interpretando la información, se lo haré saber y usted puede hablar ya una vez que yo termine. Y será lo mismo con usted, viceversa.
All right. Mr. Avila Jara, will you please state your name?
Señor Avila Jara, ¿puede decir su nombre?
Jorge Avila Jara.
And Mr. Avila Jara,
Jorge
what is
Avila
your date
Jara.
of birth? And Mr. Avila Jara, what is your date of birth?
Señor Avila Jara, ¿cuál es su fecha?
Come again.
4985.
4985.
All right, sir. You are here on two matters this evening.
Muy bien, señor.
What's up,
Usted
Lori?
está aquí en esta noche por dos situaciones.
In your first matter, The Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear.
Muy bien. La primera situación es que la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa emitió una orden de arresto por incomparecencia.
¿Qué?
The matter in which you failed to appear is CR 2018-139645. Oh, wait, I gave the wrong number. Let me back up. Let me do that again, interpreter. The case in which you failed to appear is CR 2018-139645. No, I was right. Sorry about that.
Muy bien. Y el caso en el cual usted no se presentó es el caso CR 2018-139645.
In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you were eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you.
Bien, y sobre esta situación no se le estará asignando un abogado, muy bien, porque usted fue elegible para asignarle uno, el cual ya debió haber tenido uno.
You may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you.
Puede solicitar o contratar a un abogado bajo su propio coste, muy bien, para que sea representado.
I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30.
Estaré agendando audiencias con fecha del 15 de octubre a las 8:30 y 17 de octubre a las 8:30.
Both of those hearings will be in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Ambas audiencias se estarán llevando a cabo en el centro de la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa.
All right, sir. Now you are also here because you were arrested on charges of burglary in the 3rd degree, a Class 4 felony.
Muy bien, señor, y también usted se encuentra aquí por haber sido arrestado con cargos de robo en 3er grado, muy bien, junto con delito grave.
Based upon the information that I did find probable cause for those violations.
Y también encuentro causas probables por esas violaciones.
Based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I am finding that you are not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney.
Muy bien, y basado en la información que usted proporcionó previo al juicio, lo encuentro no indigente para propósitos de ser asignado a un abogado.
As a result, I am not appointing you an attorney on your new charges this evening.
Como resultado de esto, no le estaré asignando un abogado con respecto a estos nuevos cargos durante esta noche.
You may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you.
Puede solicitar o contratar a un abogado bajo su propio coste, muy bien, para que lo represente a usted.
In your new matter, I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30, October 16th at 1:30 p.m., and October 17th at 8:30.
Y con respecto a esta situación, estaré agendando audiencias también con fechas de octubre 15 a las 8:30, octubre 16, 1:30 de la tarde y octubre 17 a las 8:30.
All of those hearings will be in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Y todas estas audiencias se estarán llevando a cabo en la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa.
Because you were on release in your 2018 case on the date of the offense for your new charges, I am holding you non-bondable on your new charges.
Cuidado, que usted fue liberado de su caso del 2018 con la fecha de los nuevos cargos. Lo estaré manteniendo como no fianzable No derecho a fianza con respecto a los nuevos cargos.
We do need to reprint number 11 because I referenced the wrong case. I apologize. All right, we'll get your paperwork to you. Go ahead, step left. I am needing to reprint number 11. Sorry about that.
Silas, can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear.
All right, cool.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay.
¿Tiene alguna
All right,
pregunta, señor?
No.
No.
What's going on with that?
all right.
So right now they just had a translator right now.
Do we only have the one Spanish?
Yeah, she's from Spanish.
Okay.
Hey,
All
Harley,
right, Mr. Interpreter, I think that is everybody that we need you for this evening. Could you, I don't think there's, actually, because it's our practice, Interpreter, could you please inquire in the gallery if anybody else needs your assistance?
Ok. Les habla el intérprete. Quiero preguntar si alguien más requiere mi asistencia.
All right, we got no hands, Interpreter. Thank you so much for your assistance this evening.
Okay. Thank you for your service and have a good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
probably Pedro.
All right, we do need to clear before the last two, and while we're clearing, I'm going to go ahead and read the house call in. Is that good with you guys? Yeah. Okay. All right, we have one house call this evening. Our house call is Armando Aguayo. Mr. Aguayo's date of birth is September 17th, 1986. Mr. Aguayo was arrested earlier today on charges of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. He was also arrested on charges of criminal trespass, first-degree residential yard, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing him an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In Mr. Aguayo's case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. If anything changes after I talk to Mr. Aguayo in jail, I will update my written order. I did not miss camp. He is a knock.
Oh, he's a knock.
He's a knock.
Oh,
He's a knock.
okay. Just take a break, just leave the last stuff.
So normally house call Silas are when somebody's either they're disruptive, they're a danger to themselves, they're a danger to the facility. They won't bring them in front of the judge. What they'll do is they'll walk on over to their cell and they'll hold court in their cell.
Wow. Well, that's Hannibal Lecter-esque.
Hey, you know what? Like a week or two ago, there was a dude that they had that for like on a restraint
All right,
chair.
perfect. I need to include one thing that is not there yet.
This call and your telephone number will be monitored and recorded.
Well, that message almost blew my eardrums out right there, Silas.
Yeah, it's loud, man.
That thing is super loud. Hey, so let me see. I got some comments on here for you right here. I got one from let me see. Where is it right here? Hold on, I'm trying to scroll up here. Harley 8 writes, "Congratulations, Silas. I hear you're coming home, brother."
Man, thank you. I appreciate that.
Then let me see. Holly writes, "Did he get a definite out date?"
Not yet. Not yet. I'm still going through the review period and going through the process and waiting to get the final stamp of approval and get my final release date.
All right, and then Teresa, we got a comment from Teresa. Teresa writes, "Apologies to Silas, or apologize to Silas for me. I've been really unwell."
No apologies necessary. I hope you're feeling better.
Let me see, and then let me see right here. And then Alexis writes, congrats, Silas.
Hey, Thank you, Alexis. I appreciate
And I
that.
did tweak some
Chef
questions a little bit.
Manolo
All
writes,
right, Shane Camp, please.
Chef Manolo writes, tell him congratulations on the coming home. We got 2 cases, I think, Silas, and these are going to be bad cases, the type of cases that
All right, Mr. Camp, go ahead, state your name for the record.
are
Shane
bad.
Camp,
All right, Mr. Camp, what is your date of birth?
May 13th, 1971.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the information that was submitted with regard to your probation in your case, CR 2012-141681, in the Form 4 constitutes an alleged term 1, 16, and 21, a violation of terms 1, 16, and 21. Would you like to know what those terms are?
Yes, please.
Okay. So term 1 is that you will, let me get that.
I don't think I ever heard 21 before.
All right. All right, term 1 is I will maintain a crime-free lifestyle by obeying all laws and not engaging or participating in any criminal activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Term 16 is I will not consume or possess alcohol. Term 21 are your sex offender conditions.
Okay.
Okay?
Absolutely.
Um,
I'm sorry. Did it say that I violated 21?
Yes, sir. And with regard to the conduct and the in connection with your 13-year-old daughter.
What?
I've not had any contact.
Oh my God.
Okay. You are also in possession of unapproved electronics devices.
No, ma'am. I will pass the polygraph. I have no, ma'am.
All right. Well,
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to argue.
no, it is, I am not, you asked a question, what I'm basing my decision on, I'm letting you know what I'm basing my decision on. I am, again, reminding you, and I'm not seeking to have you say anything because anything you say could be used against you.
Understood,
okay? I'm
ma'am.
just letting you know what's going on.
Okay.
All right, with
And he keeps on
regard
licking
to
his lips,
those, I
Silas.
am appointing you, or with regard to the probation,
weird
your
with his mouth.
alleged violation of probation, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am holding you non-bondable on your probation violation matter, because I believe that there is a reasonable probability that you will receive a sentence of imprisonment in this matter. Okay?
Rightfully
Go ahead,
so.
step left, officers have your paperwork.
And he's acting like he's in disbelief.
I'm sorry for the autistic thing. Can I just ask for a clarification of? So it's saying that I have violated those 3 things, and that's
Yes, based upon my review of the information in the Form 4, there is probable cause to believe that you did violate those 3 terms of your probation. Yes, sir.
He's lying. He doesn't have autism. Autism doesn't exist on anybody
I'm
from
sorry.
that
I
year.
thought I was here because of the alcohol. I'm stunned at the other things. So my apologies. And even that
Okay.
I thought I was almost off probation. I'm sorry.
Go
I'm
ahead,
sorry.
step left.
You're on your way to prison.
Can they just remove this guy?
All right.
He's gone.
Gregory Sterning, please.
All right, we got one more.
I need to go take a shower. I feel dirty after
Give me
that.
just a second.
Oh, this guy's on court in a white beater. He got a man bun. His hair is kind of like, looks like it's to his waist. Gray wife beater on.
Hey, you're not supposed to say wife beater. You're supposed to say wife corrector.
Oh man.
I'm just kidding, everybody. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
This is the state's recommendation on that one, so I did update. So we need to reprint. All right, sir. Go ahead, state your name, please.
Gregory Scott Durning,
All right, and Mr. Durning, what is your date of birth?
10/12/1986.
All right, thank you, sir. You are here because you were arrested on on charges of sexual conduct with a minor, a Class 2 felony, and molestation of a child, a Class 2 felony. Before you were seen this evening, you were receiving medical care that prevented you from appearing at the initial appearance following your acceptance by MCSO. There was a request and ruling regarding extraordinary circumstances in your case, and I am finding extraordinary circumstances for the delay during the initial appearance hearing pursuant to State v. Brown, based upon your need for medical care. All right, as I said, I am finding probable cause for the violations charged. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 15th at 8:30 and October 17th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a $250,000 cash-only appearance bond. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring, and you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. You may not have any contact with the alleged victim. You may not have any contact with any minors. You are prohibited from accessing the internet except for school, court, and work purposes. You may not possess any weapons. You may not possess any drugs, and you may not possess or consume any alcohol. You will need to obey any terms of any order of protection or order against harassment that may issue. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork for you.
Wow.
All right, and that brings us to the end of our 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar, and we are going to stand adjourned and
that's how she wrote right there. That's the.
This call and your telephone number will be monitored and recorded.
That's how she wrote for this court session right here. Man, you caught the tail end right there, Silas. Talk about bad timing.
I mean, man, I stepped right into sewage. Sheesh. My